Boost engagement ads are ads that you can put on your landing pages. On these ads, you can promote your brand, services, or your exclusive listings. So let's go ahead and create one. Just click on create a boost engagement ads. Give your ads a name. Now we're going to select content. In here, you can select two types of ads, as an image or video. If you're going to use video, you need to upload the video on another host website and use the URL. You can then select if you want to play back on a click or automatically. You can then upload the preview image of the video and edit the action button, which will be this one, the call to action. In this case, we're going to use an image of the agents. So now we're gonna edit the button of the call to action. So it's gonna connect with us. It's gonna open a URL, and it's gonna open a contact page. It's gonna open a new tab. Now we can go to styles and select the size of the button. So we're gonna select the small one. Then the alignment of the button within the ad. So I'm just gonna leave it in the middle. We can select the background color. So we're gonna go for white. And the text black. And when hover, we're gonna use black as a background and text white. You also have the option to change the color of the border, but we're not gonna do that. So if I hover, it's gonna go black and text white. Now that we have our ad finished, let's go ahead and save. And this is how you create a boost engagement ad.